Alright, you can roll out right there. Alright, so as discussed, the first maneuver we'll do is the power off stalls. So what you're going to do is you're going to start pulling back on the throttle and pull, half pressure on the yoke to maintain your altitude. And we're slowing it all the way back to like 65 knots, pulling in a shot of flaps once you're below 100, which we pretty well already are. And get set up just like you're going to go into a landing. Just like you're going to go into a landing. So you can let it descend a little bit and then flare just like you would as if you were doing an approach, and just do too much. You're going to get the horn and announce it. Hey, I got the horn. I feel a little bit of the buffeting, and then keep pulling, and you'll get the stall. At that point, you relax pressure on the yoke, bring the throttle in.
1,500, climbing 9,000,
okay.
east transition.
And did you want to just jump into it? Did you want me to demo one? Or?
I'll jump into it.
Let's do it. Yeah.
3032, good morning.
3032, 454.
Throttle's going to go idle.
All right.
A landing profile. Climb back pressure.
Yep, so maintaining your altitude. Alright, that airspeed's bleeding off. Alright, so there we are. We're at 75 knots, right, like you shoot your approaches. So then you just pull the throttle back and keep slowing back. Alright, now go ahead and flare, just like you would as if you were shooting an approach.
There's the horn.
There's the horn. So keep pulling. You feel it starting to shake a little bit. There's the buffeting. So keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. And we're stalling.
There's the stall.
So we relax pressure on the yoke, let her come forward and bring the throttle back in. Alright, the altimeter's stopped. We're waiting for it to reverse. Remember, we're using the altimeter, not the VSI, because there's a delay here. So now we got a climb going, so you can go ahead and take the flaps out. Alright, keep the climb in. Yeah, that's easy business, isn't it?
That's not too bad.
No, that's not bad at all. What we're doing on this one is we're simulating that we're taking off. So we're going to bring the throttle in where it's at. That's probably fine. Yeah, leave the throttle where she's at. We pull aft and put it in a takeoff attitude, and just keep pulling. And it's going to be the same thing. You're going to get that horn. She's going to start shaking on you, and then she's going to brake and go into the stall. And once it breaks forward, you relax pressure on the yoke. Not a whole lot of throttle left to help you with, but put the little bit of throttle still in that you got. Yeah, we're a little high. Let's bring it back.
Yeah, I was going to say we should probably come down a little bit.
Yeah, let's come down a little bit. Put her at, yeah, you're definitely going to climb doing this one. So let's bring her down to, 23 or so, 22, 23 if we're doing the maneuver. Okay, so when you're ready, we got the flaps out. One thing that's very important on this one is maintain a coordinated flight. You've been pretty good about that so far, so I'm not too terribly worried about it. So what we do is we start pulling aft on the yoke to put her into the takeoff, and there we go. So keep pulling. All right, we see that airspeed bleeding back. Keep pulling. There's the horn. Keep pulling, and there's the stall. All right, whoa. All right. Hey, feel how it kind of came to the left like that?
Yeah.
You want to counteract that with rudder. Okay.
Rudder? Okay.
Don't attempt to counteract that with the aileron. If one of the wings starts to fall on you like that, step on the opposite rudder. Okay.
So if it's going to the right, I give left rudder?
Roger that.
Okay. You want to try it again?
Yeah, let's do it. So bring the throttle back to, say, 22, 23, something like that.
Okay. Initiating the stall.
All right. There's the horn. And there's the stall. Relax pressure forward, bring the throttle the rest of the way in.
Okay, that's not so bad. And as I added that left pedal, I mean...
Yeah, if you maintain coordinated flight, even the power on stall is pretty docile. It's not terrible. Now, if you start letting it get uncoordinated on you, and again, spins are stall plus a yaw is how you get into spins. If you're stalling and yawing, that's how you get into spin. Coordinated flight, maintaining coordinated flight is very important when you're doing stall training.
Roger that. All right, I'm gonna ease back on the yoke and bring the throttle back here. You can see the airspeed is already well below.
Yep.
So I'm bringing the first shot. Okay, now I'm gonna continue bring back on the stick. Still coming back. Still coming back.
All right, and now we're flaring for our approach.
There's the horn.
Altimeter 3032.
There's the shutter. There's the stall.
There we go. So forward on that.
And power.
Yep, now you can get the throttle full in. Don't push it like crazy fast, but a positive rate of application of throttle.
Is that you want to do the same thing?
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, let's do the power off stall again, because I definitely want you now yoke first for sure, which you're doing. But once you break the stall, get the throttle in.
Okay.
You don't got to be crazy with it, but this also isn't like a you're getting that throttle in.
Okay.
You want to stop the descent. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Okay.
Okay, we still got carb heat on.
Yeah, carb heat still on.
Out of flaps.
There you go. All right, so we're coming up on 75. We're shooting our approach. Everything looks good. All right, go ahead and get the throttle to idle. And we're doing our flare. There's the horn.
Altimeter 3032.
Starting to shake a little bit.
Shutter
And we're stalling. So get the yoke. Yeah, relax back pressure on the yoke and get the throttle in.
Looking for a
There
climb.
we go, and it's stopped, and we're in a climb. Go ahead and get the flaps out.
Get that climb in. Okay. All right, so I'm just applying back pressure until I get the horn shutter, and then
And then you're recovering from the stall. Yep.
Okay, here's our takeoff. Takeoff. All right. Mated flight. There's
the horn. There's the stall. A little bit of left pedal. Forward yoke. Get the rest of the throttle in.
Looking for a climb.
There you go. And you can use all the throttle. You can go ahead and bring it all the way in.
Keep bringing it. Okay.
Yeah, bring it all the way in. I mean, you can use all the engine's gap for you at this point. We're recovering from a stall, making sure we're good. That was actually pretty nice. That was nice.
Okay.
So if you want, we can head back in so we can do some pattern work.
Okay.
And then the next time we fly, it'll kind of be like last time. We did a whole bunch of patterns, and I wanted that to marinate, come back to it. This time we did several stalls, so I want it to marinate. Next time we fly, we'll hit these hard.